This is your 5-minute Pilates arm workout to get toned arms. We'll only be working with your body weight, so no equipment necessary. Let's begin. We'll quickly warm up our upper body by rolling the shoulders. Inhale, we'll roll both shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Reverse the direction. Keep circling smooth and expressive circles. And lastly, shake the hands out. Open your arms out to the sides at shoulder height and pulse the arms back. Keep going. Feel the slow burn as you sculpt through the arms. Bring the elbows to 90 degrees and bring them together. Inhale, open. Exhale, together. Open, together. Open, together. Squeeze the shoulder blades each time the shoulders separate to the side. And don't forget to keep the core tight. You're doing amazing. Last one. Now hold your cactus shape and pulse. Feel your arms sculpting and toning for more defined arms. Stay with the burn. It means the muscles are awake and working. Almost done. Then reach the arms forward, up, and to the sides. Forward, up, side. Focus on smooth and controlled movements. I know you feel your arms cooking at this point, but just a few more exercises and you're done. Now keep the arms wide at shoulder height. Push forward and back as you're squeezing the shoulder blades together. Push forward and back. Forward and back. Just a few more, and one last exercise to go. Let's finish with arm circles. First forward, with your arm muscles toning. You're doing amazing. Now reverse. Keep going, this is where you grow. 3, 2, 1. Gently lower the arms and shake them out. Then take one arm across the body and stretch it out. Same thing to the other side. Notice your posture now compared to the start. Shoulders sculpted, arms toned. If you feel that good burn, save this video as your go-to Pilates arm workout. You don't need anything except just 5 minutes in your day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date with all of my workout and yoga classes. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.